I called it fantasy seduction because seduction happens in the mind. It's a fantasy that's not reality. It's different and it feels good. And we're all seduced by our own imagination. That's what inspires us to move. The seduction, it's kind of like that word love, or so many words that have so many meanings. It's just like it's used in so many contexts, although we don't really use the word seduction, but it really just means to lead the mind astray. And we are seduced by our own senses. When a person gets better at communicating with women as a man, just as he get better at anything, if he got better at sales, if he just got better at communication, you start selling, and you're a manipulative person, you'll see how you'll manipulate people into the buy. And so you learn along the way, by seeing a positive, by positive meaning what you want to have happen. It's positive to the perspective of the individual creating it. So by having a positive feedback on your efforts, by learning how to do something, creating an effect that's similar to like what you're going for, you see your power. Your power becomes present. Your mind becomes present. It's manifesting. It's going. It's good. But then you'll see effects on the outside that were unintended. Some good, many not good. Many, I didn't realize, like you don't realize how poor your throwing form is until you try to throw the ball as hard as you can. And even then, maybe not. Maybe then you have to do it 100 times. Then you feel pain in certain places because you have bad form. So when you push to your skills, you start to see where it's not optimal. So the ability for seduction to be like manipulation, for fantasy to be like a manipulative thing, is really victim-minded. Why? Because it puts the onus or the responsibility of the person being seduced onto the person that's seducing them. Basically saying that that's manipulative because you misled me. It was a lie. But if it's just going to give them a break from their life, that's better than any alcohol binge. That's better than any blunt. That's better than any Netflix show. An interpersonal connection is better than any vacation. If you get a break from your life through interacting with your mate of the opposite sex, and that's a vacation for you, that's dope. That's better. Hey, guess what? Congratulations. You just beat 99% of relationships out there.